Alright, buddies. What's in there? Is it from Nana and Pa? Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, what are you guys looking at here? Oh, what's that? Oh, the kitty cats. Whoa.
Can you open this?
What else is in there?
Can you open this?
I can open it, but buddy, you need some right now?
Yes. Some these.
Yes.
No.
What else is in the box? Hey, Gavin, you see a kitty cat? Colin. Here. What else is in there, Gavin? Go slow there.
Oh, a new hamster.
Wow.
It's so
Oh, Harold?
See this? It's so pretty.
Oh, yeah?
Thank you, Dad.
Nana and Pa. What do you got there, Gavin?
Hello.
Harold?
Yes. Oh.
What'd you find? Oops.
This is simple.
Uh-oh. You found treats, did you?
No, I didn't.
No?
I put them at the end. Can you open these?
Well, you know,
One. Can you open these?
in a little bit there, mister.
Okay. Is this good?
Whoa. Oh, it's a raincoat that's a fire. It looks like a firefighter.
Fire.
That's cool, huh? That's cool. Wow. It says the raincoat's from Patrick. You want to say thank you? Colin,
No.
say thank you. You got a mouthful of her.
Look, Daddy.
What are you up to, Gavin?
Daddy. Oh, no.
What are you up to? Alright, what do you say?
Yes.
Say thank you.
Thank you, and so is Daddy Pig. Wow. And that's it. Can you open these, Dad? Can you open these?
I don't know. It's dinner time, you guys.
Yeah. Can you open these?
Okay.
No, you can't eat these. This is only for bigger boys.
Only for bigger boys?
Yeah, not for babies.
Yeah, you share with Gavin now.
No, me. No, you can have some. Me.
Give Gavin some.
I need a bigger hole.
Put your hand out.
Ella.
Put your hand out. Hand. Turn your hand over.
No.
Here,
no,
catch.
No.
Cup
no.
here? Put them in my hand then. Give me some.
No.
What do you need?
A bowl.
A bowl? Mm, all right.
Daddy, I want a bowl. Can't find it and the bowl. I want a new bowl. I want a new bowl. I want a new bowl, please.
Okay. Just a sec.